Find or read reviews that people are talking about. CRUA 24.5-inch gaming monitor 144Hz/165Hz, FHD 100% sRGB computer monitor. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Smooth gaming experience. The CRUA 24.5-inch gaming monitor offers 3 millisecond response time, 165 Hz refresh rate, and FreeSync to ensure ultra-smooth motion. Say goodbye to screen tearing, stuttering, or input lag when moving quickly, tracking opponents, or playing any game. The crosshair assists in locating the opponent's position and gaining an absolute competitive advantage. Immersive visuals. The computer monitor is equipped with FHD, 1920x1080p, 100% sRGB, 8-bit, and 16.7 million colors to provide a wide range of color displays and provide vivid and accurate visual effects. Plus 300 CD per square meter brightness, a 1000:1 static contrast ratio lets you enjoy finer details in your working or favorite TV shows and movies. Low blue light mode protects eyes from visual fatigue caused by long hours of work or gaming. Ergonomic design. The vertically rotating monitor stand supports a 90 degrees rotation for portrait orientation. Easily switch to portrait mode for efficient multitasking, coding, or document editing, enhancing readability with lengthy documents. The height is adjustable within a range of 120 mm, with tilt, -5 degrees to about 15 degrees, and swivel, -15 degrees to about 15 degrees, for a personalized and comfortable viewing angle. Supports wall mounting, 75x75 mm. Versatile connectivity. The 24.5-inch monitor is equipped with HDMI 2.0, DP 1.2, and 3.5 mm audio output interfaces, and supports connection to PCs, computers, laptops, PS5, Xbox Series, Switch and more. There is no delay in working, gaming, studying, or watching movies, and various switching can be easily realized. The USB port supports charging mobile phones and other devices. Use HDMI to reach 120 Hz/144 Hz, and use DP to reach 165 Hz. Sleek design. Immerse in the game or project with 3-sided narrow bezels that provide a distraction-free environment. No additional tools are required and the snap-on bracket allows for easy installation. Equipped with a red hub, it can organize messy wires in place, giving you a clean and tidy desktop when working or studying. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.